Hey, my name is Anthony Ravenell. I'm 27 years old from the Bronx, New York, and I've been playing drums for 24 years. First, I would like you to know that I'm a Christian. God has literally used drums and music to save my life. Growing up playing drums in church, one of my main goals would be for someone to hear the progression, to see how good I got. As I got older, my heart started to change. I started to notice what this truly was about, and that's taking the gift that God has given me and giving it back to others. Now, when I play, I hope and I pray that it will touch someone's heart, that it will uplift them and encourage them, that the gift that God has given me will bless them. On this musical journey, I've had the privilege to minister and work with incredible people, starting with my home church, Fort Mont Baptist Church. I've been playing there since the age of 3. In addition to my home church, I've traveled with PT and ministries throughout the years, and I also have the honor of being the lead drummer for the Fellowship Covenant Church. As I stated, I got to work with some amazingly talented people, starting with Naeem O'Reilly, playing behind the great Valerie Boyd and Pastor Donnie McClurkin, working with Chris Swain in Mecca Talent Management, and the Players Club Step Team. And in all of my years of playing, I've used different drumstick brands. And in my opinion, Collision's drumstick is the most durable. That's why I choose to use Collision's 5A standard pack. If I were to use 3 words to describe the drumstick, it would be durability, balance, and quality. When Mr. Banks and his team reached out to me, they left a huge impression. The last thought I had of them was professional. They were truly professional and they made me feel like family. I'm really happy that Collision's products and the way they conduct business are both greatly even. It's an honor to be a part of the Collision brand. Here's a short clip of me playing during morning worship. I hope you enjoy. God bless.